up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Cloud Spotter by Foo Fighters, and we're gonna play this with basic chords, standard chords without a capo. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, and let's get right into it. So the first chord is an E minor. So we're playing E minor, and then we go to 3rd fret of string number 1 and play. Alright, so 1. So we go 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, and we're just strumming the E minor. Okay, so we go. Next thing I want you to add is this. Okay, so this is open to 3rd open on the 2nd string. So open, 3rd open. Okay, 3rd fret, open, 3rd open. So you can play, and then hammer off, right? So that's the intro into verse number 1, and then the chords kind of change. Cloud Spotter. Hold on. Okay, so we have a chord change when they say burn me right down like a house fire. Okay. To C. Okay, so we have and then we go to A minor, and then we come back to E minor. Alright, so let's rewind. Calling on someone else's time. That's a C to A minor. So this is so that's C to A minor, and then we're back to E. And then we slide C to D. And if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description. And so this okay, so you don't really have to slide the whole chord, you can just hammer on. And then you go. So this is C, hammer on to 3rd fret of string number 2, and then we go to E minor. Now we're hammering open to fret number 1 on the 2nd string, and we're holding an E minor. And then let's go on. Okay, then we're back into Cloud Spotter. Alright, so that's pretty much the whole song. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video.